Enemies are carrying the device. Viewer incoming!
Dude, I hate you.
Hostiles overloaded our zone!
You suck at
Drop
the game.
skew on my mark.
What's wrong with you?
New overload device on the field. Get there first. Hostiles have the overload device. Device acquired. Transport it to the enemy zone.
Dude, can you help me here? Like, where are you? Like, where are you?
Trophy system neutralized.
Overload device successfully delivered.
It's 4 to 5. I need 2 to 1.
I've located a new overload device.
That one. Wait, I'm back to that one. That two.
The overload device is in our control.
You know, see it now?
Using sim.
Go.
UAV available for tasking.
Enemy control station overloaded.
UAV above.
Time's low. Put your head down and get it done.
UAV above. Sensors are capture your objective.
I got it.
Secure the new device.
Wait.
The overload device is under hostile control.
Mission timeline halfway checked.
We picked up the device.
Dude, you made the store happen.
Mission timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO.
No way.
Overload device successfully delivered.
Alright. Wait. Reloading device.
New overload device on the field. Get there first.
No!
We have the overload device. Enemies are carrying the device.
I'm good. I just got hit.
And I'm in their system. That's Curtain's Black Ops.
What the show? Stand tall, soldiers.
Wait, talk.